Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn off the Windows Ink Workspace feature on your Windows computer. So Windows Ink Workspace is a new feature in Windows Update displayed as pin shape icon. This feature makes digital pin input more usable for every PC user. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable Windows Ink Workspace by a group policy. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. So once you open up this runs and on this box, and then you need to type this command keyword gpedit.msc. So just type this command keyword gpedit.msc and then click OK. And once you open up this local group policy editor, and then next step, so under here at computer configurations, and then select this administrative templates. So click this sign to expand, and then next step, and then you need to select the Windows components. So click this arrow to expand again, and then you need to select this Windows Ink Workspace. So scroll down and then find and locate this Windows Ink Workspace. So once you find or locate already, and all you have to do is to select one time and on right pane, and then you can see here the Windows Ink Workspace at here at settings, and then you need to select this allow Windows Ink Workspace. So select and double click, and pop-ups this allow Windows Ink Workspace settings, and then next step, so you need to disable and on right side menu, and then select this disabled. So click that disabled, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after here at local group policy editor, and the other solutions we will do is to disable via Windows settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch the system settings. Alright, so once you open up the system settings at left side bar, and then you need to select Bluetooth and device, and on right pane, and then scroll down, and then find and locate this pin and Windows Ink. So click this settings, and then once you open up this pin and Windows Ink settings, and then select this additional pin settings. So click this arrow to expand, and then next step, and then you need to select this ignore touch input when I'm using my pen. So uncheck this box, so uncheck. Alright, so once you do this, and then close the settings, and then here at the start menu, and then you need to restart your PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to disable Windows Ink Workspace in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.